Chris Ross on 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm giving you an overview of the new Harber London RFID blocking wallet. This is made out of 100% vegetable tanned leather, and it comes from craftsmen all the way from Spain. So here's the inside. Give you a quick look there. And if you have items in this pocket that's all the way deep inside here, they have a pull tab right here that can pull it out. So that's nice. And then you can put extra cards and such on this left side of the wallet. So this goes all the way down here to the end. And then on the right side of the wallet, you have two card spaces here, or change, whatever you want. Goes to the bottom of the wallet there. And then on the inside, this is where you could possibly put cash or more cards. And this part right here that lines the entire wallet blocks RFID signals. And then over here you can add more cash or other paperwork, receipts, what have you. And this is also lined in that RFID blocking material right there. And then going inside over here, here's a spot for cards, cash, or whatever else right there. And here's two more of those same types of pockets. One there, and then one way in the corner right there. And then this is some other type of spot here. You can put it together. So you have two pockets there, two pockets here, and another pocket over here. And then, like I said, this is open right here. This is the Harber London RFID blocking wallet with very nice 100% vegetable tan leather from Craftsmen in Spain.